House EB by GRIVARELLO BERNABÉ ARQUITECTOS in FUNES, Argentina. The housing plan is structured in order to take advantage of the best orientations in a 20x 50-meter lot, within a private neighborhood of the city of FUNES, with the intention of having a more direct north, since the first 20 meters of the neighboring lot is blocked by the adjoining house. It was decided to solve the requested program for the house using the social areas as the main structure of the ground floor, that it develops towards the back of the land and the private areas on the upper floor. The low-height concrete canopy with a green terrace allows us to find a different scale at the entrance on the urban front of the neighborhood, taking advantage of the differences in elevation between the interior of the lot and the access street. In this way, the composition of the facade is resolved, which is divided into the main entrance and the garage area and behind the kitchen dining room window under the bedrooms, on the first floor. To enter, you cross the patio between the large concrete slab and the volume of the house with the intention of being a route that allows you to enter the house or continue and find the backyard with the barbecue area, the pool, and the sun. The use of exposed concrete walls solved with a smooth formwork accentuates the large openings of the plant, both exterior and interior, making it possible to have controlled visual escapes to all areas of the land. The decision to work with a single light roof with a ceiling made of wooden boards allows us to go down the scale of the interior spaces of the units that, through the slopes of the roof, are linked to the barbecue area towards the bottom of the lot.